Hello, hello! Welcome to the Cosmic Patterns channel. I'm glad you made it here. My name is Faye Cochran. Today I'm going to show you how to use the mapping system within the Kepler program. Okay, so there are two ways to select a map. You can click on either map in here, or you can click on this icon in here. This is my favorite. When you point on it, it says Astro Maps and Eclipse Map. You click in here, you click on Astro Map, and then you select the geographic region in here. Right now we have the United States, or we can also do United Kingdom, or you can just simply highlight in there and then put the geographic region that you want to use. Or like we can just use United Kingdom, for example. And then we can click on any of these maps. You can click on treasure map, lines, local space map, no orbs. The most commonly used one is the treasure map. This is really nice to have because if you're looking for a place that you wanna spend your birthday or relocate permanently, this is an excellent program to use. Okay, so let's click on Vocation and Career for the purpose of moving there for this person, and let's click on OK. And then it will calculate. It will take a little while to calculate because it's a complicated procedure and formula behind it. So let's just wait. It will eventually pop up. Okay, there you go. Now, if you decided, okay, you want, I really want United States, let me just change it to United States. No big deal. All you have to do is right-click, and then you can either scroll down here and click on United States, or type it in there while it's highlighted. You click on United, type in United, and States. Why would you want to type it? It's already listed in there. So let's click, or you can set this as your default place. You can click in here so that you do not have to keep selecting United States each time when you want to explore the area. So let's click on yes, and then let's click on OK. Okay, now we will select the vocation and career for this area, and then just click on OK. Again, it will calculate. You can see whatever the red lines here are the strongest one. That means it's very strong. The aspect lines are very strong. The very red line is the midheaven line, the straight line. That's the midheaven line. The curved line, that is the ascendant line. Okay, now we have the United States. Okay, for this person, this is the very strong ascendant line in here. Is really red. This is the sun line for this person. Sun line is conjunct the ascendant. This is a really nice place. From here all the way down there is a good place. So you can see this yellow. However far this yellow is how far the energy of this line goes. Okay, so it's not limited to just that line. You can see the vibration of it through the shadow. So it's really cool. So this is the sun. This is the sun conjunct the ascendant. Yeah. Okay, it's the same thing here in this area. In Atlanta, there is this line Jupiter conjunct the ascendant right here. More than likely this person will really grow big in here, or have big projects, or be involved with a lot of things that are fun, joyful, big, and travel as well. Okay, so this is a beautiful area in there. But it doesn't mean that the weak yellow lines are not good. They are also very good. If that is your interest in there and there's the line in there, that is still good. If that is where you want to go, don't avoid those lines that are not red. Okay, you got it? Okay, now up on the top right side in here, you will see that there are some options in here. And this plus one is you can make this entire window bigger, or you can click on this negative one to make the window smaller. Right now we're not gonna click because it will recalculate. Each time you click, it recalculates to get the accuracy of it. The mapping system is very accurate. Now this is something cool in here. As you can see, what is selected is click map for interpretation. So we will click on this one for example for this Atlanta. Oh, let's do the sun line in here. So right here, we go to Great Falls. Let's click in here. And then, there you go. There is the interpretations. It will tell you here is the selected point because the program does not know the name of the city that is in that area that you clicked on because it is a map. So it will just tell you it is the selected point. So what you do is you just remember which point you clicked on so that you don't forget. Okay, so this is an excellent interpretation. You can send this to your client. You can even charge them. Okay, so let's close this and go back to the map. And then we click on this drop down arrow. There's two more choices in here. See, let's click on map for wheel. And then here, as you move the mouse cursor over the astromap, the latitude and longitude, ascendant and midheaven position will be shown at the top of this astromap window. So let's click on OK. So as you can see up there, see, you can see it here. See, I'm moving it here. You can see those things moving as well. So when we click, let's say we clicked on Great Falls. Let's look at the chart and see what it looks like. We know the interpretation. Let's click on the map. Okay, there you go. This is the relocated wheel for this person in Great Falls, Idaho, or in that point that you clicked on. It gives you the latitude and longitude in here because it does not know the name of the place. Again, it is the point. Within that point where you clicked on, this person has a Sagittarius rising and all these goodies in here. Okay, so let's click on this one and let's click on the next one, which is, this is a cool one if you are exploring, doing exploratory of United States. We click on click map for distance, and then again, there's instructions in here. If you left click on astromap, and the ellipse will be drawn, and the size of the ellipse will be shown at the top of the astromap window. So let's click on OK in here. Okay, so let's say, well, let's go back to that sun line in here. You're from Reno. Okay, so we'll say, how far is Great Falls from Reno? I will try driving it in one day. Okay, so let me see. Okay, let's click in here. And then we click on the first point where we're going to start and click on the end point where you want to end. Okay, and then just let the program calculate it for you as if it did nothing. But you will see in a few seconds it will give us those ellipses. Okay, so look at that. So that is the distance in here. You will not see the numbers in here, but again, it's up here. Okay, so ellipse diameter, this is the ellipse diameter line. And this is the distance. It's 1,114 kilometers. So it is a great place to be, and you know how far it is to drive it. Okay, now for the interpretations, in addition to the one that you clicked on the point, it gives you that interpretation. You can click on interpretation from up here. And then you click on interpretation and select relocation. It's obviously, it is relocation. So we click on interpretation and we click on relocation, select English, and these are all available to you. You can add or remove places if you want. You can start new and you click on yes. So let's put say London, England. Okay, London. Okay, and put an E in here, England. Okay, and we can put, say, for example, Mexico City. Okay, this guy wants to explore Mexico City, Mexico. And then we click, well, let's put another one. Let's put New York, Mexico, New York. Okay, all right, so now let's click on, you can put up to 20 in here if you want, but it's a lot of reading. And if you were to charge it for the interpretation, do it up to 6 places. Okay, now let's click on OK. And then let's click on one of these. Let's click on the first one. Okay, the major aspects only. But you can select all of these if you want. But let's just click one at a time. As you clicked on one, it listed here on the report selected box, and then we click on OK. And that is the interpretation for those places. Okay, so it's really great. And look at this. There's this point system. It's really, really cool. Okay, so let's close this and let's put this back to, again, it's calculating for the distance. We always put it back on the interpretation so that it doesn't keep on calculating for you. Okay, we'll wait for it to finish and then we will conclude our video. If you have anything that you want me to show you, send me an email and I can create that for you. Okay, let's put this back to interpretation and then click on OK. Okay, by the way, you can save it or you can print it. It's good to print it. Do the print view change settings first and select the Microsoft Print to PDF so that you have a PDF file of it. You can save the settings and exit, or you can print. For now, we will cancel. I'm just showing you how you can do it if you want it printed or you want it saved as PDF format and send it to your friends or to your clients. Okay, I hope this is clear and you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want more videos. Take care. Have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.